just tell me the money, I'll give you. Whatever it is, I'll beg, borrow, steal, I'll kill, I'll do whatever it is. Just charge me one money, I'll give you, and just get me the problem out of me. Ever since I came here, right, like last 3 sessions, it's been like this is the 3rd session, right? So I can literally see a lot of changes. I can literally feel my pain has come down, and I was able to sleep a better sleep, in fact. Prior to the getting treatment here, I was not getting a proper sleep due to the pain. I was keep on tossing in the bed, turning and tossing in the bed. But last few days, especially last 1 week, I can see the problem has subsided to a great extent. At the same time, today as the 3rd session came to an end, I feel it's completely relieved. Especially today it feels much better. So yeah, overall I would say like I was pretty happy with the experience.
What was the duration of the problem that you had? Kab se hai ye aapko?
I would say more than like 4-5 years. More than 4-5 years.
So I'm sure you would have done.
I've been to a couple of other chiropractors in Hyderabad. I mean, I don't want to name them, but
Even I don't want to hear.
yeah. So I used to visit a couple of guys from Arupusui and other guys like from those areas. But somehow they were not able to pinpoint the exact problem and act on it in a way. In fact, spending a lot of money to get the problem fixed, I was not getting the desired result. But this last 1 week, it's been really great.
So they did manual setup, right? Spinal session.
They were just cracking, but then they were not able to let me know like what are the things that I have to take care of. Especially like I was keep on going on my regular non-veg diet and all. Like during the therapy session, they didn't tell me like what are the guidelines that I have to follow, and they didn't tell me what is the issue, why this is happening.
Correct.
So when comparing that, I see a lot of there is a method to madness into what you do that I can really see. But whereas in comparing the other chiropractors that I met, it was like pretty uninformed or something like that. So I would say I felt much better.
Nice. So that means diagnosis part also was good.
Yeah, absolutely. So in fact, even the X-ray.
Connect the dots.
Yeah. In fact, see, I'm not a guy who has got much of a scientific background like what you guys do. But by just looking at the X-ray, I can see that it is something is off, and you were able to pinpoint what it is off, and then you were making the adjustments, and you were give me the therapy and all. So it was very good.
So I was specific.
You were pretty specific.
Yeah, specific is terrific, right?
Yeah.
That's what happened to you.
Yeah. So I really feel really good, and definitely like if anyone is watching here, please come and meet Mr. Showkat sir. I think it's one of the best treatment that you can get in Hyderabad.
That's
for sure.
Treatment is best. It's really good. That's even we tell about it. So
yeah, sure.
It's a very good treatment. One of the best things you can have in life. Like you can save yourself from surgery, medicines.
In fact, maybe
you can enjoy your pain-free life.
In fact, I didn't know this is the underlying issue, because I used to go and check with the doctor for my depression, because I was unable to sleep. So they were trying to give me some sleep meds to get a proper sleep. But last 1 week, I'm not taking any kind of meds and all. Just by this particular therapy, I'm getting good sleep. So that is like pretty good.
Integrated approach, because we don't work on only one parameter. We work on different methods, and that's how it brings you quick relief, and it saves your time. No doubt we charge good, but this is how it is. That's why.
True.
Because we save a lot of your time. If you go to, for example, if you have pain in the back and you think it is muscle, if you go to a massage therapist, they may massage you for a year.
Yeah, exactly, precisely the point. Because I thought I have taken some massages in the past. At the same time, because of this pain, I was not able to sleep. I thought it's a mental issue, so I thought I'll consult a psychiatrist to see, and I was feeling low. Due to the pain, I was not able to sleep. Later, then I realized it's nothing on the mental note, it's based on the pain that I have. Because of the pain, I was unable to sleep properly. And this is affecting my entire, work-life balance and, the mental happiness aspect of it. So now I realize, this is the problem that I need to get it fixed, and now I feel much better.
Pain can be frustrating. Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
When you don't find a way out, then you think, okay, maybe it's a psychological problem, and then you go to a psychiatrist and they give you medicine, and then you feel relaxed, but the problem still exists.
True.
Till that, misalignment is not aligned.
True, that is it. True.
So we only did that. I did not care.
I'm really grateful, actually.
I did not even work on your pain. I only saw what was misaligned. Usko correct kiya.
Yeah.
That's all it took. And there you are speaking.
Yeah, absolutely.
As a wife, I was very worried about his health, because every night I used to see, I used to watch, we're not able to sleep at all, midnight till 2-3 will be turning this side, that side.
I'll try to adjust myself, to get the cracking so that I can get some temporary relief.
He used to try to relieve himself by cracking neck or whatnot, and he will ask me also to do something.
Yes.
But from my side, I will just do some, we brought some gun for that, and I was doing some massages. But still, he has not lived with any pain.
So I would strongly recommend you and everybody out there, do not try to adjust spine. You can play with your hands, but do not try to do anything with spine, because you don't know where the spine is going. And if you're pushing the spine in the same direction, you will land up in a serious problem. You can even have paralysis if you don't know what you're doing. If you know, then it's okay.
That is true. That is true.
You should not play.
In fact, the first session when we came here, that was pretty emergency. I was trying to adjust, and then all of a sudden I got a sudden, stiffness in this entire upper, chest area, upper chest and upper back area. I was unable to breathe for some minutes. It was like a very sharp pain, and that's when I called.
He was shouting, my and my mom, we were so scared. What happened? And he said, suddenly I could not lift my head, anything. And at 6 o'clock, I can't see any other chiropractor. And I searched for in LB Nagar, and we went off, it's 30 kilometers from our house. We went almost halfway.
We went there, and then they didn't give us a right response. And they said that, we have to book 15 or 20 days in advance. If it's an emergency case, and how do I know that there is an emergency?
Even with that pain, he
then we were like, chalo, let me just see, I started going through Practo, I started looking out Google reviews and all, so many things. I did my study, and then I found this is the right place to be.
Actually, we have decided this Healing Edge in the mid road. Actually, we don't know where we have to go, and
so
that was
basically
on Sunday.
You were driven here by nature, if you see.
Yeah. It's on Sunday actually, and most of the chiropractors were not there. Only yours and some other persons were there. And in the midway, we were just right. Even we didn't have anything, nothing we have had. We just came as soon as he got the pain.
So how was the first day experience here?
Yeah, it was very good.
On that day, only I saw he slept without any issues. Even
I
also
sessions
slept
that you took?
Like I said, when I went to this Yusuf Guda person, he was fixing it, but then the problem keeps resurfacing again and again. Maybe for that one day it was fine, or a couple of hours it was fine, but later it was keep on popping up again and again.
And the difference, the treatment of here and there was what?
And the best part, what I found is you just told me what was the issue. You can see this structure. I can able to feel that.
Now you.
But that chiropractor, he did not allow me inside. So he only will go, and I even don't know what he is doing. I'll just ask him. He'll say I'm okay. But still that pain was there.
But yeah,
I feel that
this is
the
way
best way
better.
to treat our whatever the pain is.
You should know what you have. And if you're an attender, even they should know what the problem is. Either they, if there is no change for some time, they know what they're looking at, where the changes are coming. Step by step, I show changes to people who are coming along. One step once I show them every step I take, I tell them, okay, ye tha, abhi, this is the change. And they can visualize it, they can see it. And as they see the change.
True. Actually, today you made this final adjustment on this particular part, right? So that was I think even after getting the second session, I was still, why am I getting the stiffness on my left rib and other things and all. But today morning when you made this adjustment, it kind of completely relieved. It got completely relieved. And coupled with the massage session, deep tissue session, it was pretty good. I never felt my head this loose, this neck this loose.
In past?
Past 5-6 years. It used to have pretty stiff. My range of motion was not more than this. Now little I can see, I can literally see the wall on both the sides, and it is pretty loose.
It is not only on the spine level, even his mental health also was completely
So when
Because
you have a
I-
lot of pain,
pain, you know, I was-
you feel frustrated.
Yeah.
So
He was very depressed. He will not talk to me also. Like even the work pressure also is there. So I was used to at least find out what was the issue.
Now I realize this is not, the other things were not the concern, this is the major concern.
yeah.
Now I realized actually, to be honest.
See how difference makes.
Yeah.
That is what is adjustment and then cracking. This is the difference.
True.
So we don't give many cracks, if you have noticed.
No, no,
I give
that,
3, 4, 5, 6 maximum. I don't go. So, because what I feel is less is more. When I'm
specific, yeah, that
I don't
takes
need
care of the
to
issue.
crack your whole body unnecessarily.
True.
So I don't want to, subluxate something else than trying to fix just because you want to hear cracks.
That's there.
Isn't it?
True.
There are so many patients who have said it's only 1 minute treatment, but it takes so much of skill and so much of
Expertise to
knowledge,
fix.
expertise to get that in 1 minute.
True. True. That is true.
So sometimes you have patients just one crack, just one. It's gone.
It's gone.
I don't even do the second crack.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is what is needed. Sometimes you need 10 cracks. Sometimes you need to fix a lot of bones. Sometimes you just one crack and the problem is already over.
Yeah.
That's there, no doctor. I feel so better actually.
So better. So welcome to Healing Edge.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
I had a couple of other friends, I'll definitely refer
No,
them.
you will definitely save a lot of lives as
True.
you know this place. Now.
My one of my friend, he is actually he's from Chennai. Currently, I used to go and visit a chiropractor because I felt that treatment gave me a better relief in comparing the chiropractor treatment. So I referred him to go there. So this guy, he is having some pain and he said that okay, I'll make my plan at least once or twice in a month to go to Bangalore to.
So you've been taking this treatment for a while?
Yeah.
More than
How many
Like
sessions?
since
Black buck.
2019, he was taking this chiropractic.
Okay, so how many sessions approximately?
I would say more than
No more. In Bangalore itself, we have went thrice.
three,
Monthly once. Monthly once. Yeah,
I would
monthly
say 1 month I had once and the next month I had twice and the next month I had twice.
That's fine.
It's
In
like 5
Bangalore.
sessions in Bangalore.
Ikkada?
Yeah, it's almost
Okay.
3 months.
Mr. That's him. That's the name of the clinic. So post that
How many sessions?
I would say 5-6 sessions.
Ikkada 6.
There,
Okay,
there 6.
okay. Here, how many sessions?
In so it's like more than like 6 months. We've been going regular,
Regular every twice
Weekly
a week?
once.
Weekly once.
weekly ones.
That's like 25 sessions.
More than that, yeah. And to be honest, that was like taking a lot of toll on on
the
different
bank.
aspects
On
on
the
the bank. Majorly on the
Exactly.
bank. See, the problem is not spending the money. It's the problem is not getting the fixed result out of it. So yeah, that was there.
Hence the charge. That's why we charge. Isn't it?
That's there.
So
This
it
is the
is,
place
when you
we
pay
have.
more, you actually pay less.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to come for 20 sessions, 30 sessions.
That's there.
Your problem will be fixed in single digit.
Sure. So that's what there was a time I was telling them, "Arey dude, just tell me the money, I'll give you. Whatever it is, I'll beg, borrow, steal, I'll kill, I'll do whatever it is. Just charge me one money, I'll give you, and just get me the problem out of me. I don't want to go and because it's like I was not able to get a proper sleep, I was not able to get a proper focus, and yeah,
It affects family, it affects friends, your personal life,
That's
your
right.
work, everything is.
Life cycle completely.
so now it's like especially like today I feel like completely like
Back to life.
yeah, that's like.
No, this is the place I felt I see the happiness after while we reaching home.
Yeah, so that's there.
Chalo.
Thank you.
Get your back.
Yeah.
Chalo. All the best.
Thank you, doctor. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.